Man, we got a project again today. So I still got a whole nother trip to go, but we got a whole bunch of random stuff. I want to build a rack for all my metal that goes from this end. We've got a whopping 2 inches by 2 inches, and give you a big overview here. All right, we have done a lot of stuff off camera. I guess you got to do what you got to do when you don't have an extra pair of hands. We got not good. We're gonna have to see what we got around here. We finally got it. We had a major issue though, and I forgot to weld on my sport to the rear here.